Today I'm doing a review about these two cars from Hot Wheels. Hot Wheels car culture, both premium cars, both Mitsubishi, and I found them in the Toy Champ in the Netherlands. Did a video over there, and that video will be on my YouTube channel probably somewhere next week. Very nice picture, so I'm going to be very careful to open the package. Yes, I'm also a card collector. Here we have the back side. So these are the other sets, and these are also available at the Toy Champ. But I only bought this one. Yes, we can't have it all. Okay, let's open this package up. I'm going to do that with my Leatherman. Let's find a good knife. Click. And then I'm going to open it right here. Don't try this at home. There we go. Take the cars out. And then we first going to start with my favorite of this package, the Evolution. And I love the blue color with the white rims. Yes, nice front lights. Ooh, I love this here on the hood. Air intake, molded windscreen wipers. We have side mirrors. Hot Wheels doesn't have side mirrors all the time, so I'm very glad with that. Also, a reason I bought this car is because it has a license plate. Thank you very much, Hot Wheels, very important. Nice painted rear lights. Let's have a look at the base. We have slick tires, rubber slick tires. We have a metal base with some details. Okay, now we're going to have a look in the car. First, I'm going to start. I need some bright light. So there we go. Okay, pretty good interior as well in the back as in the front. Bucket seats, and we have a right-hand steering. Right-hand steering. Okay. And yeah, let's not talk about the steering wheel. It's totally ugly. And for a premium car, I think that's not okay. Look at this. That's not a steering wheel. That's a plastic circle, something, stump, or whatever. That's not how a steering wheel should look like in a premium car. But that's just my opinion. For the rest, it's a very good looking car. Very nice. Okay, let's have a look at the other one right here. Red color with black rims. Love it. No logo here. Okay, the logo is red. Just like here. Here we see the Mitsubishi logo. And here we don't. Maybe because the car is red. We do have side mirrors. I think that's very important. We have no windscreen wipers. And a little bit of a scratch here on the window. Spoiler here in the back, plastic. License plate is a Hot Wheels license plate. Okay, it's better than nothing. Here we do have a Mitsubishi logo and painted rear lights. And these are also lights. Okay, again, rubber slick tires. I think most of the Hot Wheels premiums have those tires. Nice shining metal base. Not bad at all. Okay, now let's have a look at the interior. A little bit difficult to see. Let's see. Let's do it like this. Okay, so we have nice bucket seats. Poke for shifting gear. And here we have a left hand steering. Yeah, and again, ugly steering wheel. Come on, Hot Wheels, you can do better. Nowadays, it shouldn't be that easy to place a normal steering wheel in 1/64 cars. Okay, yeah, like I said, this one here on the left side is my favorite. But I think they're both very cool, except for the steering wheel. Yeah, this one has more details like windscreen wipers, Mitsubishi logo in the front. We also have a windscreen wiper here in the back. Better license plate for the Evo. Both a very bad steering wheel, both metal base. Yeah, let me know, what is your favorite from these two cars? In the comments below. Don't forget to smash the like button, and I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.